Hi, Precious Osikha here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do well to subscribe and do not forget to turn on your notification bell.
Write a story set in a bathroom. Alright? Write a story set in the bathroom. So let me take you through one or two things, okay? I want to explain this prompt. I want to show you how you can approach it, okay? And then, of course, after that, I am going to showcase the stories. Alright? The first one is understand the prompt. Understand the prompt. So the prompt says, write a story set in a bathroom. A story set in the bathroom is not a story set in a living room. It's not a story set in a market. So we have to stick to the prompt. Okay? It's happening, whatever story you are putting in is happening right there in the bathroom. So we have to try to stick to the bathroom. The next point is to understand the word count. The word count. Okay? A word count says a 100-word story. So you cannot exceed 100-word story. You have to try your best not to exceed a 100. Okay? Just try. You have to do it. The next point is to get an interesting idea. Now, for this kind of a prompt, the truth is, ideas that will come to your head will be very simple. Sometimes you'll be like, what do I need to write? Just bathroom. All you'll be thinking about is, okay, somebody having a bath. Or, you know, taking a shower and all of that. That's what will come to mind. But you know what? You can actually think outside the box. You can do something very unique. So think of something very unique that would really make a whole lot of sense and to interest your readers. That is why you are a writer. You need to think deeper times 100 more than your readers. Okay? The next point is the story element. Now, this part is it's easy. You have to ensure your elements are on point. And if you really know and understand the elements of a story, it won't be hard for you. You won't be like, how do I ensure this story has elements? You know, the elements of the story when it's taking place in the bathroom. It's really no big deal here. So if you do not understand the elements of a story, I made a video, discussing the elements of a story. Please check the creative writing playlist, okay? Or you can check this particular video. Just check down the description part. You would see the link to that element of the story. Please click on it and watch. Or you can look up on your screen, the top part of your screen. The video link is there. You can click on it to watch. Okay? Settled. Now let's go to the title. The title has to be interesting. So because it said write a story set in the bathroom does not mean it has to just be the bathroom. You title it the bathroom. Yes, the bathroom is fine, but it can be more than that. It has to be creative. You get it. So think of anything. Maybe the name of your character, or it could be the incident that happened in the bathroom. I hope you get it. All right. Now the plot hints. Were we given anything in regards to that? Not really. Okay, not really. So I wish we were given, I would have explained more than this, but we weren't really given. We were just told write a story set in the bathroom. So you need to come up with something for yourself. Okay. Now the next one is the area of focus and ideas. In this case, let us feel that bathroom itself. Let's feel it. Let's feel what your character is doing. The action of your character, what is happening or taking place there. So ideas that can come to head. One, it could be that your character may just be having this shower and suddenly witnesses a crime scene outside. Okay, something is happening outside and witnesses some things, and before you know, your character is shaky, your character wants to turn on water, your character wants to do this and that, trying to see if he can clean himself and leave, and there's just an atmosphere that is happening to your character right there. Or it's possible your character experiences a nervous breakdown. Maybe something happened before and your character is hallucinating right there in the bathroom, or there's something happening there, okay? Or it's very possible that your character is maybe trying to bait his or her child or something, okay? And all of a sudden the child changes into a demon and wants to scare you, the character, just think. Or it could be that your character is having a romantic moment with a partner and all of a sudden it just experiences and starts gushing out blood. You see, just think of something, okay? Because this particular prompt is interesting. Alright, think of beautiful ideas to fit in. Okay, the next point is the writing rules and vocabulary. So what kind of vocabulary? See, your vocabulary here has to be top notch. Remember, your prompt is looking like it's not interesting in the first place. When you just hear it, it's already set in the bathroom, everybody's like, But when you put in sweet vocabulary to explain, to describe, to show us everything that is happening, your story is going to come to life. And then your finishing has to be powerful. That brings us to finishing. Your editing has to be good. Now, if you do not know how to edit, please try to get some apps to help you. At least use them as your first-hand tools. Okay? This is not to say apps will replace human beings. No, but use them as your first-hand tools. I made a video on the best apps for writers. Please refer yourself back to the video. Try to watch this video. It's not difficult. Just go to the tutorial playlist. The video is there, or you check the description of this particular video. The link is there, or look up on your screen. The link is right there. Please watch it. The best apps for writers. Those apps I mentioned will help you to monitor your word count. It will also help you to edit your work, all right, before you probably give it to a third eye to look at it. Okay. And last point is your delivery. It has to be top notch. It has to be different from the usual. And of course, if you were asked to do one or two things, all right, if there's an extra information on what to do, please ensure you do them and deliver excellently. Okay, now let me showcase the stories to you. Story here is written by Tolulope. Okay, so for you, I'm going to say something. The first one is you focus too much on your setting. So because you focus too much on your setting, they said write a story set in the bathroom, and you just focus too much on it. You then now forgot that you had a story to tell. So description, the storytelling, the narration is a fine blend. You have to try and balance them together. If you focus so much on description, there's no story. We wouldn't know what you are talking about. We will just be reading what you are saying about the whole place. Not like there's something happening there. Okay? It's just that the setting is taking place in the bathroom, but it has to still be a story. That is why they said, write a story set in the bathroom. They just gave you that setting that it's happening in the bathroom, not any other place. So please try to work on your story, okay? Please try to work on that. The next story is written by Yusuf. I don't know. I don't even know what to say. You exceeded the word count, and even when I read the story, it was poor. I will not say anything more than this. Thank you. The next story is written by Henry Duru. Poor narration, poor finishing, poor delivery, poor story. I'm going to end here because you know the drills, right? You know what I have been saying. Work on your craft. Go and get books to read. Okay, get books to read. Read my books. Enroll for a class. Enroll in a writing class. Enroll. Try your best. Or make deep research. You have to improve more than this. We are here for serious business. Okay, please. And this one here is written by Favor. I was mesmerized. Let me use that word. Or should I say, in fact, when I read it, I felt my heart was about to jump out of my body. It was as if they poured cold water on my body too. Your story got me thrilling. I love this story. I love the way you delivered it. Your delivery, your narration, your description. This is beautiful. Thank you for improving, because I know the last time I was a little bit very hard on you. Thank you. You didn't really take it to heart in such a way that you'd be like, she's weakening me. No, you took it up as a challenge. And now that you have set this pace, please keep on setting the pace. Okay? Keep on setting the pace. All you just need to do here right now is, of course, before you submit your work, you can check out if there's any excessive words or extra thing that is not needed, you can cut down. Okay? You can always check that out. If you can maintain the way you are writing and then do one or two editing, check out if this is in order or not, you are good to go. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you, Favor. Thank you. The next story here is written by Blessing. Beautiful title, beautiful delivery, beautiful job, beautiful story. Wow, thank you very much, Blessing. You did a good job. Okay, I just love what you did here. You did a very good job. Do not forget, keep improving, keep improving, keep improving. Okay, keep improving. And that story here is written by Promise. Good job. All you need to do is edit better. Okay, do not forget, always look at it again, read it again, read it out loud, record your voice, so that when you are listening to yourself, you are looking at it to see if it even makes sense. Okay, good job. The next story here is written by Nana. Beautiful storyline. Okay, just what you do here is work on your editing, look at your line by line scene. You say you will die here today. Okay, who is saying you will die here today? Who is saying I'm muttered? Who is doing this? Also, all these pronouns you are using, just look at them so we don't confuse your readers. Who is talking? Who is speaking? Remember, you are starting with a dialogue, okay? So don't come and confuse us. Just work on all these little things. Work on these little things, please. This is what they call finishing. Finishing. Alright? And that story here is written by Precious. Nice story. Work on your finishing. Work on your finishing. Okay, work on it. Read your work over and over again. That exclamation on your title, I don't know why you included that, but all the same, work on your finishing. Okay, the next story here is written by Marian. Now, Marian, improve in your grammar. You have issues with grammar and your editing and sentence structure. Learn how to structure your sentence. Well, I've told you, this is your adverbs you are always using. It is not like you can't use them, but come on, you read it now. Exhaustedly. Exhaustedly. What is exhaustedly? I don't know if you get it. Please, work on these things. Just work on these things. At least your storyline is improving. Just keep improving anyway. Just keep improving. You're gonna get there. Alright? You're gonna get there. Well done. So I am done dropping my opinions on the stories, and so I want to hear from you all what you have to say about the stories. Please drop your opinions, okay? You are very, very free to drop them, and you are free to watch this video over and over again, because the more you are watching, the more you are helping these writers, okay? And you are very free to invite your friends and family to come over here to subscribe to this channel, watch the videos on the channel, and be a part of this big family. Alright, the goal is to reach out to more people, to help more people, to impact more people. It's not like I'm getting paid for this, alright? So please, let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. This is the best way you can encourage me, encourage writers, and even encourage all of us. Oh yes. Alright, thank you very, very much.